like annoying situations in life. And so in life, this is always going to happen. There's going to be mosquitoes when you camp, and there are going to be annoying bug-like situations, annoying situations in life. What's good? This is Jonathan Paul Duncan at jpd.hlc. Today's June 27th. It's 9:25 a.m. I'm on the 180 driving west towards Clovis and Fresno, away from Kings Canyon, the first official vision quest of the summer season. And one thing that I learned, I didn't know I was going to learn this, it's kind of funny, is that in life we have real mosquitoes, and like there is a bunch of mosquitoes up at the camp this weekend, and they're bugging me, and they always bug me. I try my best not to get mad at mosquitoes when they're trying to bite me or bugging me, because they're just doing their job. And what I've realized over some time is that this is true of people and situations and just life in general. Is sometimes in life there are just these mosquito-like situations. They just like pester me and like fly into my face, and then I smack my face, or they're just fucking annoying, like annoying situations in life. And so in life, this is always going to happen. There's going to be mosquitoes when you camp, and there are going to be annoying bug-like situations, annoying situations in life.